Hello, I'm Dr. Rajesh Taneja. I'm a senior consultant urologist and robotic surgeon at Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. I have been trained at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. I finished my training of MCH urology in the year 1994. Since 1995, I have been practicing in the South Delhi area. The main diseases that fall into my expertise are uh, the stones in the urinary tract, the stones in the kidney, ureter, bladder, the cancers and the tumors of the urinary tract, cancer of kidney, cancer of urinary bladder, cancer of prostate, and the cancer of the male external genitalia. I have been conducting holmium laser enucleations of prostate, that is called HOLEP technically, for benign enlargement of prostate since the year 2004. So I have been one of the first few urologists of the country to start this technique of laser for benign hyperplasia of the prostate. And I have been mentoring various urologists within the country and abroad to teach them to this technique. Since 2012, I have been doing robotic surgery for the cancers of the urinary tract, like cancer of the kidney, the cancer of prostate. So I've been doing robotic partial nephrectomies and robotic radical prostatectomies since 2012. So I have been one of the first few urologists of the country to have started robotic surgery with very good results within. If you compare our results with anywhere in the world, we seem to be one of the top few centers for the robotic surgery of urinary tract. Nowadays, we have this Apollo 24 by 7 app, which is a very good app because it allows you to consult me in the comfort zone of your home, and that also prevents you from coming out of your home and getting exposed to the various infectious diseases, just like corona that we have nowadays. In addition, it helps you to discuss your case with me without needing your family members to take off from their office work, and you can directly speak to me on the video call. I can select my patients if I am not happy to finish my consultation on video. I will be very happy to select my patients and ask them to come to the hospital for physical examination if it is required. And of course, if they require surgical intervention, it can all be planned. And Apollo 24 by 7 seems to be a very good app for this particular situation. So I would recommend that you download this app, and you can find me at the Apollo 24 by 7 app, and you can book a consultation accordingly. Thank you.